we discussed general equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is called as general equation. We discussed slope intercept form, y equal to mx plus c. This c is y intercept. This is called as slope intercept form. Then one form is there, intercept form. What is that? Ayavant? What is intercept form of line? No idea. Devanshi Mishra, what is intercept form? Nahi. Ayushi Verma, what is intercept form?
Sir, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1.
Good. Bhavya Verma or Ayushi Verma, any one of these two, tell me what is the normal form of equation of line? Ayushi Verma or Bhavya Verma?
Y equal to mx plus c.
No, normal form. Ayushi, normal form. My dear, anyone from B section, Uma or Yasmin, what is normal form of line?
Sir, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p.
Exactly, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. And you must know the meaning also. Meaning is that on the line or from origin you draw a perpendicular, and if that length is p, then this is that value p. And if that perpendicular on the line and x-axis, if the angle between them is alpha, this angle will represent that angle alpha. Okay. So these four forms we studied. For finding slope, some more things. Slope of line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. How much was that? Slope of this line. Anyone? Jyoti Meena, what was the
Minus
slope?
by.
Yes, Praved, you are right. Minus a upon b is the slope of this line. And one more thing, that line parallel to the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This we discussed. If I want to write the equation of line parallel to it, what should be the equation? Any one of you?
ax plus by plus c dash equals to 0.
Exactly, Piyush. That's so nice. Constant change kar dijiye bas. C dash and x multiplier and y multiplier, keep them as it is. Then another point, line perpendicular to the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is, anyone in the class?
Minus py plus lambda equals to 0.
Can you repeat, Piyush?
Bx minus minus ay
Yes.
plus lambda equals to 0.
Yes. Bx minus ay plus lambda equal to 0 means constant multipliers of x and y you interchange, in between you make the sign opposite and constant to change ho hi jayega. So bx minus ay plus lambda equal to 0. This was the equation of line perpendicular to ax plus by plus c equal to 0, right? This is one more thing that I think we did not discuss, that the distance that you can note, distance of point x1 y1 from the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This I think we did not discuss. If you have to find out the distance of a point from a line, we have a formula. Distance of this x1 comma y1 from a line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. From this point, drop a perpendicular. Say the perpendicular length is p. Then this p is given by the formula that what you do in this equation of line, you remove x, and in place of x, you write this x coordinate, plus b, in place of y, you write this y coordinate. So you'll get ax1 plus by1 plus c whole upon root of x multiplier, whatever is it, it is square, a square, plus b square. This is the formula for distance of the point x1 y1 from the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. And one more thing, the distance may be this value may come negative also, है ना? Distance but doesn't become negative. So what we do, we ignore negative sign, we take its magnitude. This is the final formula. And using this, distance of origin you can calculate 0 comma 0 from the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. You can find out. If your origin means 0 0, in place of x1 and y1 if you put 0 0, the distance will become modulus c upon root of a square plus root of b square. Okay. This we did not discuss, you please note it. And few more things, that using this you can find out distance between two lines, two parallel lines. So say the first line is ax plus by plus c1 equal to 0, and the second line is ax plus by plus c2 equal to 0. Then what is the idea of finding distance between them? Your distance of first line you find from origin, distance of second line you find from origin, and subtract them. Then you will get the in between distance. So distance between parallel lines ax plus by plus c1 equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 equal to 0 is equal to c1 minus c2 divided by root of a square plus b square. And because distances are not negative, but this value may be negative, so take its magnitude. Because if a minus sign comes, you ignore the minus sign, you take its magnitude. So this is the distance between two parallel lines. Dhyan rahe, parallel lines means x and y multiplier should be same in both the lines. Okay. Or suppose the formula is given in terms of y equal to mx plus c, then this also gets changed. So distance between the parallel lines y equal to mx plus c1 and y equal to mx plus c2 is equal to, suppose the equations of lines are given in slope intercept form. You know, both x multipliers are same, it means they are parallel. Then the distance between them is c1 minus c2 whole divided by root of 1 plus m square. This becomes the formula and its magnitude. Right, students? I think now we are ready to solve our exercise 10.3. All the students are requested to get ready with the exercise. Karthik Verma of C section, will you read first question of exercise 10.3? Karthik Verma, are you there? Seems Karthik Verma is not there. Ambika Shringi, will you read? Ambika Shringi is also inactive. Rajesh Kumar Verma. Rajesh, will you read first question? There is no response from C section. I will move on towards A people. Tanmay Khilar, will you read first question? Tanmay, are you there? There is no Tanmay Khilar. Tanmay Meena. Tanmay Meena, are you listening? Tanmay, please, will you read question first of 10.3 exercise? Okay. So slope intercept form is y equal to mx plus c form. So this means you take the x term on the other side, y multiplier, you make 1. This is plus 0 also I can write. So here now if you compare with y equal to mx plus c, here x multiplier means m is minus 1 upon 7. This is slope. And c here is 0. So this is y-intercept. So the same thing is to be done in all the other parts also. Second part, what's that, Tanmay? This was first part. Second part is, Tanmay? Okay. So if this, we have to convert in y equal to mx plus c, the constant term and x term shift on the other side. This will become minus 6x plus 5. Divide by 3, and this will become minus 2x plus 5 upon 3. So here, if you compare, m will be minus 2 and c will be 5 upon 3. So slope is minus 2 and y-intercept is minus 3. And Tanmay, what is third part? Third part, y equal to 0. So everything is 0 in the right hand side, but you can write in this mx plus c form. So y equal to 0x plus 0 can be written. So here m is 0 and y-intercept c is also 0. So this was to write in slope intercept form y equal to mx plus c. Okay, so let us see question 2. Bhavya Verma, will you read question 2? Bhavya Verma, are you listening? Ayushi Verma, will you read question 2? Ayushi Verma,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
please.
Reduce the following equations into intercept form and find its intercepts on the axis.
Okay, intercept form क्या होता है? X upon a plus y upon b equal to 1. Yes, what is the first part?
3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0.
3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. So what
Yes.
should I do to convert in intercept form? Intercept form has a characteristic that constant is in the right hand side and it is 1. So how to make the constant 1? First of all, shift this 12 in the right hand side. So 3x plus 2y equal to 12 and divide by 12. If you do both the sides, the right hand side will become 1. So dividing by 12. So if you divide by 12, it will become x upon 4, 3 fours are 12, plus y upon 6 equal to 1. So this is intercept form, and x-intercept is 4 and y-intercept is 6. So this two you can write. Here x-intercept is 4, y-intercept is 6. Ayushi, is there any more part? Ayushi?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is there any more part?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Two parts are more.
Hmm,
Two more parts are there.
Yes, please tell.
4x minus 3y equal to 6.
4x minus 3y equal to 6.
Yes, sir.
तो क्या करूं बताइए, आप बोलिए, मैं लिखता हूं. मुझे इसको इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है, तो क्या किया जाए?
Sir, dividing by 6.
Dividing by 6 will become like this. What next? Simplify and you write in this structure. X upon something plus y upon something. So
Yes, sir.
what can I write? X upon 3 by 2, है ना? And this minus also you can send in denominator. So plus y upon minus 2 equal to 1. Now this is intercept form. So what should be x-intercept? X-intercept will be 3 by 2 and y-intercept will be minus 2. With sign we have to write. है ना? And what is the third part, Aishi?
3y plus 2 equal to 0.
3y plus 2 equal to 0. So if I send the constant on the other side, I cannot write in intercept form. You know, y equal to minus 2 by 3. If you divide it, y upon minus 2 by 3 equal to 1. But what about x term? The x term cannot be written. You know, 1 upon infinity is 0. ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, 0x लिख सकते हैं. 0x if you want can be written as x upon infinity. I upon minus 2 by 3. है ना? Actually infinity के terms में लिखना सही है. This cannot be converted in intercept form. ऐसे this can be the answer. है ना? In fact, its graph, if you see y equal to minus 2 by 3, its graph will be like this, horizontal line. Horizontal line, this is y equal to minus 2 by 3. So y-intercept is minus 2 by 3 and x-intercept, it is not cutting x-axis at all. So you can say that x-intercept is infinity in some sense. You know, this is. So this was question number 2. Question number 3, please see. Third question must be about normal form. So what is that third question? Uma Sharma, will you read question 3? Uma? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so first question was about slope intercept form. Second question is about converting the equation in intercept form, x upon a plus y upon b equal to 1. Third question, please read. Uma.
Reduce the following equation into normal form.
Yes, what is that first part?
X minus root 3y plus 8 equals to 0.
X minus root 3y plus 8 equals 0. Is this right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this I have to convert in normal form. So can someone tell me what is normal form? Normal form, what is normal form? Uma, do you know? Do you remember what is normal form? Nahin? Just in the beginning of this class, we discussed and somebody told. What is normal form? Any students?
X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P.
Yes, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to P. So normal form equation is like this. There is a right hand side and in that some constant is there. And in the left hand side, x multiplied with cos of something plus y into sine of the same angle. This form is called as normal form. मुझे इस equation को normal form में convert करना है. And in this equation, the right hand side represents the distance of origin from line. Because that right hand side represents distance, so right hand side must be positive. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to shift this constant on the other hand side. X minus root 3y equals to minus 8. Because in the right hand side, distance from origin is represented, that must be positive. So I am going to make this positive. तो कैसे इसको positive बनाया जाए? -1 से throw out multiply करा दीजिए. So if I multiply both the sides with -1, it will become minus x plus root 3y equals to 8. And now -1 I have to write cos alpha and root 3 I have to write sin alpha. But there are some restrictions with cos alpha and sin alpha. The first restriction is as any value you can declare as cos alpha. See, cos alpha has a domain. Cos alpha, you know, lies between which two values?
1 to -1.
Yes, -1 to 1. Cos alpha always lies. Cos alpha is always less or equal to 1 and greater or equal to -1. So here it is okay, but what about sine alpha? If you would call root 3 as sine alpha, it will be absurd, incorrect, because root 3, there is no angle whose sine is root 3, because root 3 is 1.7, more than 1. So calling root 3 as sine of something will be totally senseless. So this is problem 1. Problem number 2, that cos square alpha plus sin square alpha should be 1. And here x multiplier whole square plus y multiplier whole square may not be 1. तो इन दोनों प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने का एक तरीका ये है कि what you do, let x multiplier you declare as a and y multiplier you declare as b. Now what you do, divide throughout with root of a square plus b square. You find out first this value, root of a square plus b square. This is going to be 1 plus 3 root 4, which is 2. Now dividing both the sides with 2. Dividing by 2 both the sides. And now if you divide this equation, this will become minus 1 by 2x plus root 3 by 2y equals to 8 upon 2. Now by dividing, your both the problems will be solved. Now whatever x multiplier is coming, declare it as cos alpha. Let cos alpha is equal to minus half and sin alpha is equal to root 3 by 2. Okay. From this, you get the value of alpha and then we'll make the substitution. So alpha, we have to merge them. Merge means divide them. So if you divide, it will give you tan alpha equal to how much? Sin alpha upon cos alpha. Root 3 by 2 upon minus half, which will be minus root 3. So minus tan, root 3 means tan of how much? Pi by 3, 60 degree. So pi by 3. Now to send this minus inside, you can write either minus pi by 3 or you can write pi minus pi by 3. This, what to write, this depends what is your requirement. You want cos negative, sin positive. Student, this happens in which quadrant? Cos negative, sin positive. Alpha will go in which quadrant?
Second.
Second quadrant. Because so आप इसको tan minus pi by 3 भी लिख सकते थे, आप इसको tan pi minus pi by 3 भी लिख सकते हैं. Minus pi by 3 will go in fourth quadrant, pi minus pi by 3 will go in second quadrant. तो डिपेंड करता है कि आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है. मेरी रिक्वायरमेंट है कि cos नेगेटिव sin पॉजिटिव, आई वांट माय एंगल इन सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट. सो I will write it as tan pi minus pi by 3, which means tan 2 pi by 3. Tan alpha equals to, it means that alpha is 2 pi by 3. Now my alpha is ready. Now equation is minus half cos alpha declare कर दिया, x cos alpha, alpha means 2 pi by 3 plus y sin 2 pi by 3 equals to 4. So this is the normal form. This is the normal form. Here p is equal to 4 and alpha is equal to 2 pi by 3. P means its distance from origin is 4 unit. So समझ में आए? Step by step work is there. Very first step is to send the constant in the right hand side and to make it positive, because this is going to represent the distance from origin. One thing. Second thing, that divide by root a square plus b square, where a is minus 1 and b is root 3. Then x multiplier you declare as cos alpha, y multiplier you declare as sin alpha. Divide, get tan alpha, get alpha, and get the normal form, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to b. So this was first part. So the second part, similarly, let us see. Any doubt if I have, anyone can ask. What is second part? Someone will read. What is second part, students? Uma, what is second part?
Y minus 2 equals to 0.
Y minus 2 equal to 0. So it is very simple. How to convert in normal form? y minus 2 equal to 0. इसका ग्राफ मैं ड्रॉ करता हूँ. Yes, कोई suggestion? Any suggestion? Anyone? This is y equal to 2. Yeah. Any suggestion? I want this form, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. Any suggestion, students? What should be the normal form? Can someone tell p and alpha from the graph? From the graph, what is p? You should know p is the length of perpendicular from origin on the line. Length of perpendicular. Yes, so p is how much here? P is how much? 2.
2.
2. So here, so from graph, instead of following that whole procedure, better you draw the graph, and P means length of perpendicular from origin on the line. This is OP. This is OP equals to 2. P is equal to 2. And alpha is what? Alpha is, yes, alpha is the angle between perpendicular and x-axis. So this is perpendicular and x-axis. So alpha is 90. So directly you can write. So normal form is x cos 90 degree plus y sin 90 degree equals to 2. And you can simplify, and if you simplify, the same thing will come. So you can check whether your answer is right. See, cos 90 is 0, sin 90 is 1. So y equals to 2 will come. Correct? So from graph also, this also has helped us. This was second part. Third part, what is that, Uma? Third part?
X minus y equals to 4.
X minus y equals to 4. Is this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now somebody tell me that step by step, somebody tell me and I will write. Any one of student of the class. T section, anyone can tell me? Rajesh Verma, Karthik Verma. Can you tell me that what should I write? Any one of you? There is no response from the Rajesh Verma and Karthik Verma. Khushita Bhutani, will you tell? Khushita Bhutani, समझ में आया हो तो? No, Khushita Bhutani is also not responding. नेहा और नेत्रा, मुझे इसको कन्वर्ट करना है नॉर्मल फॉर्म में. तो कैसे किया जाए? नेत्रा, आर यू गेटिंग? बोलो तो, यस नो कुछ तो.
यस
हाँ, मैं ही कह रहा हूँ कि वुड यू लाइक टू टेल और डाउट? मुझे इसको कन्वर्ट करना है नॉर्मल फॉर्म में, तो मैं क्या क्या लिखूं? व्हाट शुड आई डू? नहीं, नेत्रा है.
सर
Last-
p equals to 4.
p equals to 4. नहीं, उससे पहले हम कुछ और वर्क भी करते हैं, किसी चीज से डिवाइड करते हैं, है ना? आप लास्ट सोल्यूशन देखो. आई रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स टू सी द लास्ट पार्ट, फर्स्ट पार्ट यू सी, और जो काम उसमें किया था वही काम हम इसमें करेंगे. एनी स्टूडेंट?
Sir, divide by root 1 square plus minus 1 square. That
Exactly.
is root 2.
Exactly. So first of all, I have to find out this is a is 1, b is minus 1, because constant is already in right hand side and positive, so no problem. First of all, root of a square plus b square you find, and this is going to be 1 square plus minus 1 square, which is root 2, and we have to divide by root 2. So dividing both sides by root 2. So if I divide both sides by root 2, it will become 1 upon root 2 minus 1 x into minus 1 upon root 2 y is equal to 4 upon root 2. Yes, Netra, what next? Or any other student, what next? Yes, student, don't hesitate. बताइए, what next? Huh? See, we declare cos alpha and sin alpha. So let cos alpha is 1 upon root 2 and sin alpha equals to minus 1 upon root 2. Now divide them and get alpha. So if I divide, I will get sin alpha upon cos alpha, which is tan alpha equal to minus 1 upon root 2 whole upon 1 upon root 2. Root 2 get cancelled, minus 1. Right? Which I will write equal to minus tan pi by 4. Right? What next, students? I have to remove this minus sign. And alpha should come in which quadrant? Alpha should come in which quadrant?
Fourth.
Cos is positive, sin is negative. This happens in
Fourth
fourth
quadrant.
quadrant. This happens in fourth quadrant. Cos is positive and sin is negative. So you should write it as tan. You should not write pi minus pi. Pi minus pi by 4 will send in second quadrant, which you don't want. So writing pi minus pi by 4 will be wrong. You can write minus pi by 4. That will go in fourth, no problem. Or you can write 2 pi minus pi by 4. That also will go in fourth quadrant. That also will work. So कुछ भी लिख दीजिए. Suppose 2 pi minus pi by 4 लिख दीजिए. Simply minus pi by 4 भी चलेगा. So this is going to be tan 4 2s are 8, 8 minus 1 is 7, 7 pi by 4. So alpha is 7 pi by 4. So equation in normal form is what? X cos 7 pi by 4 plus how much? Plus y sine 7 pi by 4 is equal to 4 upon root 2. 4 upon root 2 means 2 into 2 upon root 2. 2 root 2. 2 root 2. This should be the final answer. Check if this is right or not. I hope it should be right. So this was question number 3, third part. Now question number 4th. Let us see. Someone please read question number 4th. Neha, will you read 4th question? Neha.
Yes, sir.
Neha, please read 4th question.
Find the distance of the point minus 1 comma 1 from the line 12
Yeah.
in bracket x plus 6 is equals to 5 in bracket y minus 2.
12x plus 6 is equal to 5.
Yes, sir.
5
y
minus 2.
minus 2.
So, Neha, would you like to suggest कि मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? मुझे इस पॉइंट की डिस्टेंस इस लाइन से निकालनी है. So, any suggestion, Neha?
Sir, first we will simplify the equation.
Yes, first we'll simplify because we have a formula for finding distance of point from line. We'll apply that, but first let us simplify. 12x plus 72 equal to 5y minus 10. 12x minus 5y plus 72 plus 10 will become 82 equal to 0. This is the equation of line. Now, there is a formula for finding distance of the point P x1 y1 from the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So distance P is equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c whole upon root of a square plus b square. So this will become how much? What you have to do? You have to take this equation and x you have to remove, and in place of x you have to write x coordinate, and similarly y you have to remove, and in place of y you have to write y coordinate. So what will come? 12 into minus 1 minus 5 into 1 plus 82 whole magnitude divided by how much, students? Root of a square, root of 12 square plus minus 5 whole square. Now simplify and get the distance. So this is equal to minus 12 minus 5. How much? Minus 17. 82 minus 17, how much? Students, help me. 144 plus 25 is 169. 13. Hey, 82 minus 17, how much? Bolo, 65. 65, I think. Check, is this right? I hope it should be right. Yes. It was question number 4th. Fifth question, please see. Someone please read. Deepal, will you read question 5th? Deepal, are you listening? Seems Deepal is not there. Sanvi Anand, will you read question 5th? Sanvi?
Yes, sir.
Sanvi, please read question 5th और मुझे suggest भी करिए कि क्या करें इसमें. Yes, बोलिए.
Find the points on the x-axis whose distances from the line x by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1 are 4 units.
X by 3 plus y by 4 equal to 1, and point on x-axis I have to find whose distance from this line is 4 unit. Okay. Sanvi, how to assume a point on x-axis? I will assume, let the point on x-axis is point on x-axis is what coordinates I can assume? Sanvi?
Sir, 3,0.
नहीं नहीं, वो तो इसके इंटरसेप्ट है. मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि मुझे ये कह रहे हैं ना कि इस लाइन का कोई पॉइंट रहा है एक्स एक्सिस पे, उससे इस लाइन का डिस्टेंस 4 यूनिट है. तो मैं वो लाइन के डिस्टेंस का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई किया, मुझे वो पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट्स एज्यूम करने हैं. तो बिकॉज दैट पॉइंट इज ऑन एक्स एक्सिस, व्हाट शुड बी द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेट्स?
4,3.
0.
Yeah,
A comma 0.
X comma 0.
a comma 0, x comma 0, like that. This Sanvi. See, ये सब तो पॉइंट्स इस लाइन पे होंगे. वो that will be anywhere on x axis. Anywhere on x axis means, okay, then anywhere on x axis means a comma 0, x comma 0. Let the point on x axis is a comma 0. Now let us convert this equation in our standard form, general equation. तो LCM ले लेता हूँ जिससे आपको सॉल्व करने में परेशानी ना आए. ऑफ कोर्स आप इसके साथ भी वो फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. तो इफ आई टेक LCM, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी 4x plus 3y equal to 12. Now you apply this formula, distance formula, x1 y1, distance of x1 y1 from the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So distance p is equal to 4. So what is the distance formula? If you apply, what will happen? This is the point a comma 0, this is the line. So what will you get if you apply the formula? Students, tell me. You will get a 4x removed, x coordinate will come 4a plus y removed, and in place of y coordinate will come. And 12 you take in this left side, minus 12 whole magnitude divided by root of x multiplier square 4 square plus 3 square is equal to 12. ठीक है. Modulus sign मत भूलिए, लेना मत भूलिएगा, because if you don't take modulus sign you will miss one solution and your answer will not match fully and you will say कि बताया नहीं. तो इसके लिए modulus sign is must to be taken. Now you simplify, this is going to be 4a minus 12 whole modulus, whole upon this is how much? 16 plus 9 is 25, square root is 5, equal to 12. Cross multiply. Cross multiplication will give you 4a minus 12 whole modulus equal to 60. Now tell me someone how to solve it. Anyone? Do you remember how to solve modulus equation? Anyone knows? Yes. To solve this modulus equation, remove modulus sign and then put plus minus on the other side. 4a minus 12 equal to plus minus 60. Now, yeah. I am sorry. I am sorry. 4. 4. 4 into 5 is 20. Thank you. 20 it is. So now you take two cases. First you take plus case. So 4a minus 12 equal to 20. And then case 2 you take minus sign. So 4a minus 12 equal to minus 20. So if you take plus 20, 4a is equal to 32. A is equal to 8. And now if you take minus sign, 4a is equal to 12 minus 20 minus 8. So a is equal to minus 2. Two values of a. Finally, you have to tell the point on x-axis. So point on x-axis are either 8, 0 or minus 2, 0. You can check the answer. So two such points will be there. एक इस साइड से एक दूसरे साइड से है ना, so that distance of that point from this line will be 4 unit. So two such answers are there. So this was question number 5th. Please complete it. And question number 6th also we can do, and then we shall conclude this class. Question number 6th, someone please read. Somebody, anyone in the class? Dhananjay Lohami, will you read question 6th? Dhananjay? You're listening? Seems Dhananjay is not there. Any other student? Kuldeep Shakyawal?
Yes, sir.
Please read question 6 and tell me what to do.
Find the distance between parallel lines.
Okay.
First part, 15x plus 8y minus 34 is equal to 0.
And
15x plus 8y plus 31 equal to 0.
Check, I have written correct. Check.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I have to find, they are parallel because their x multiplier and y multiplier are same. They are parallel lines. We have a direct formula for finding distance between two parallel lines. So distance between parallel lines is C1 minus C2 magnitude divided by root of a square plus b square. Keep remember C1 and C2 you have to take with sign. So minus 34 minus 31 whole magnitude divided by root of 15 square plus 8 square. Solve it. This will be how much? Minus 65 whole magnitude. And this is 225 plus 64. 65 upon, this is how much, students? 289. 289 is whose square?
17.
17. Final answer is 65 upon 17. This is units. This is the distance between these parallel lines. One more part is there. What is that?
L into x plus y plus p equal to 0.
What is that? L?
L whole bracket x plus y plus p
Plus
p
P
equal to 0.
Okay.
And L whole bracket x plus y minus r equal to 0.
Check, मैंने बोर्ड पे लिखा है, that is correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what should be the distance between them? Same formula should I apply? So what should I write? Sorry. What should I write? C1 is P minus C2 is minus R minus S plus R whole divided by what is A here? A and B are X and Y multipliers. So what are the multipliers? L, L only. Two L squares, L root 2. Check the answer. Is this right? I hope it should be right. So here we conclude for today's class, and thank you so much.